Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on Facebook. So once you have opened your Facebook app and then go to the top right corner and then click on three bar icon. Now go to the settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now click on Meta account center. Now click on profile. Now here you will see all of your profile. Now select your Facebook profile. Now click on name. Now here you will see your first name, middle name and last name, and you can add anything or you can change anything to your name. After that, click on review change. Now click on save changes, and that's how you can change name on Facebook. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.